Hey physios, after the completion of physiology, I have with biochemistry questions. Why so late? Then let's enter into the nutrition topic. Here we have essay short, very short. In essay, it may ask what is BMR? Discuss the factors affecting the BMR. Short, define balanced diet and give its composition. Differences between the kwashiorkor and marasmus, most important. Protein energy malnutrition, biological value of protein and net protein utilization. Specific dynamic action, your SDA of foodstuff, nitrogen equilibrium, nutritional disorders. In very short answers like dietary fibers, give calorific value of carbohydrates, protein and lipids, respiratory quotient, glycemic index, nutrition, unit of heat, chemical score, protein efficiency ratio. In vitamins, vitamin A is the most important. That's what it is. It has so many stars. Vitamin A. Sources RDA, functions, deficiency symptoms. And vitamin C. Sources RDA, functions, deficiency symptoms. Niacin. Same. Sources RDA, function, deficiency symptoms. And coenzyme form. Vitamin D. Describe formation of active form of vitamin D. Biochemical functions RDA deficiency features of vitamin D. Synthesis and functions of active form of vitamin D3. And what are vitamins? Classify vitamins with example and briefly describe the functions of fat soluble vitamins. In very short, beriberi, functions of thiamine, pernicious anemia, Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome, vitamins, short, Wall's visual cycle, or vitamins can also ask in short answers. Your trace minerals, long like use the sources RDA, functions, deficiency symptoms of calcium, add a note on regulation of serum calcium level. Iron, chemistry and functions of iron, absorption and transportation of iron. Your shorts, phosphorus, fluoride, copper, iodine, selenium. Very short like Wilson's diseases, sources of copper, plasma copper, acrodermatitis, enteropathica, inorganic elements, hemosiderin, hemocyasis. Genetics, structure and functions of DNA. In genetics, you have just only the gist, like what is RNA, DNA, and differences and functions. Structure and functions of DNA, differences between DNA and RNA, structure and functions of tRNA, genetic code, functions of nucleic acids, purines and pyrimidines, your messenger RNA, hormones like neurotransmitters, cyclic AMP, structure and functions of insulin, diabetes, receptors, signals, transduction, secondary messenger, hormonal actions. These all most of come as short answers only. And in long answers, you need to concentrate mostly on the cycles. Muscle contraction, mechanism of muscle contraction, cell biology, structure of cell membrane, functions, structure and functions of mitochondria, functional role of subcellular or organelles, lysosomes, peroxisomes. In connective tissue, proteoglycans, collagen, glycoproteins. In clinical biochemistry, just you have only the, it can ask as very short answers, very short. It can be RFT. RFT, it can be RFT and LFT or your long answers. Function test. And these are your very short and short like urea clearance, creatinine clearance, clearance test, glucose tolerance, lactose intolerance, bilirubin, jaundice, laboratory diagnosis of diabetes mellitus, due normal level of the following in bloodstream like inorganic phosphorus, glucose testing, bicarbonate, HDL cholesterol, urea, creatinine, urine levels of sugar, creatinine, proteins. Next, lipids. Lipids are most important. Describe the beta oxidation of palmitic acid and add a note on bioenergetics of it. Next, name ketone bodies. What is ketosis? What are its causes? Enumerate the steps of synthesis and utilization of ketone bodies. Most important, these all the four. Next, what is beta oxidation of fatty acids? Explain the steps involved in beta oxidation of fatty acids and energetics. Next, name the theories of digestion and absorption of lipids. Describe recent theory. Add a note on lipid digestion and absorption. But first three are most important: beta oxidation, ketosis, and oxidation of fatty acids. These three are most important. Short like lipoproteins, classification, sources, functions, essential fatty acids, phospholipids and their functions. What is a normal serum cholesterol? Biologically important compounds derived from cholesterol. Next, cholesterol, short note on cholesterol, absorption of lipids, obesity. Very short, ergosterol, unsaturated fats, antioxidants, rancidity, and PUFA. Acid base balance like what is normal pH, how is regulated, role of kidney in regulation, pH of blood, pH of blood, pH of blood, and renal regulation of acid base balance, role of lungs in regulation of pH of blood, metabolic acidosis, disorders of acid base balance, and alkalosis. So these are the questions coming under the acid base balance. In the next video, we'll deal with the proteins and their questions. Thanks for watching.